Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1950 Chevy Suburban, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from their moving part series, and I bought this for $3.99. So don't buy this anywhere for more price, especially from scalpers. And let's open this and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car is looks nice. Okay, one bad thing here is there is some paint chipping here, you can see. Here in the top you can see I'm just here in this part, which I didn't expect for the price range. Okay, there are some wood engine detailing as well. Okay, here the body is made of metal, and rest of the car is actually plastic. The wheels are made of plastic as well. The paint job looks really nice, but it does have the scratches here. So there is only one openable part, which is the engine bay here, and it doesn't stand like this, just falls down. And the headlights and taillights are painted. Honestly, Majorette does a better job than this, especially for this price range. It has a lot of movable parts, and it has, what you can say, plastic headlights at least, and suspension as well. This one doesn't have anything. Okay, let's do a roll test. It rolls really well, but it does have this rear wheel wobble. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and share this video with your friends as well. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.